Okay, I'm almost done with this. I shined up the cabinet. Of course, you saw in the last video the demonstration and the face plates. And so I just put a good coat of Howard's Restore Finish on it. And we'll follow it up in a few days with some of the beeswax made by Howard's also. But I wanted to give an update. I'll probably have another video somewhere down the line, but it could be months down the road. But I wanted to show you the updates that I did do, and maybe people will notice it. If you hadn't noticed it, I added a piano hinge on it. So, giving you a look down in it. And there is the variable grid resistor, which is jumpered out with a resistor under the bottom. I think I used 3 meg or anything like that, but anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on that. And show you the hinge and what it looks like after it's shined up. And the chimp got that closed pretty easy that time. So anyway, so from Larry from the hills of Tennessee, thanks for watching.